Hello, this is Jennifer, and today I'm going to show you how to attach an email to a file. I know this is probably the second presentation you'll see about this, but bear with me. So first of all, I'm going to open Outlook. And then I'm going to select a new email. I'm going to create a new message. And then I'm going to select someone to send it to. I'm going to send it to Amber. And then I'm going to type in my subject. And then a brief message. So I want to do all this first before I attach my document. Now I'm going to click on Attach File, and I'm going to browse my computer for the right file. So in here I'm going to attach the syllabus. You can click on it once and click on Insert, or you can also double click on it and that will automatically insert it into your email. And there you can see attached, and that's the document that I want to send. And then if I were to send this email, then I would click on Send. And that's it. I also want to show you another way you can attach a document to an email. And this time, we're not going to do it from Outlook. So I'm going to open up my document. And right there, I'm just going to double click to open it. And then at the top, I'm going to click on File. And I want to share it. So I'm going to click on Share. And then I want to send it in an email. And you can see there's a little paper clip that shows it will be an attachment to an email. So I'm going to click on Email. And then I want to send as an attachment. And there you can see my document is under attached there also. If I was going to send it, then I would click on Send. And that is it. It's pretty simple. All right. Thank you. Goodbye.